Hi, I'm Jeremy Stevenson from Connection Realty. This property is close to shopping and schools, and of course it's always handy to be close to one of these. And should the need arise, you're very close to the Albany Health campus. So where am I, and what makes this property so special? I'm in Spencer Park, standing outside 66 Premier Circle, a large 4-bedroom double brick and tile home, best described as an entertainer's delight, for reasons that will become apparent as we go through the home. Light and spacious. I'm standing in the first of 2 living areas in this house, where you can move between guests or just spread yourself out. Being made of double brick, it aids in temperature control. To that end, we have reverse cycle air conditioning and a wood fire. I'm standing in one of 3 of the family bedrooms. This bedroom is large, plenty of room for a double bed, and there's another one exactly like it. And it's not often we get to talk about a family bedroom as a feature of the home, but the extra size built in will mean that your guests or your family will live in comfort. And keeping with the entertainers theme, there's a very generous sized outdoor entertainment area, ideal for the Sunday afternoon get together. And there's place for the kids to play out the back while you can keep a watchful eye on them. They certainly have made the best use of the 813 square metres available to them here. I'm standing in the heart of the home, the kitchen. And central to any entertainer's life is this. But as Mick Crocodile Dundee once said, that's not a stove. That's a stove. Fitted 3 years ago at a cost of $14,000, you'll never run out of firepower in this kitchen. Gee, there's a lot to like and see about this house. Connected to the NBN, the monitored alarm has been upgraded to suit. We've seen from the beginning of this video the locations are 10. And Premier Circle services only basically local traffic, so it's very quiet. Houses like 66 Premier Circle are not built, they're created. So give me a call for your personal viewing, or keep an eye out for home open times and days. Now don't leave us just yet, because right now you'll see why so many people continue to make Albany their home.
Morning light upon my pillowcase. Well, hello, here comes a day. Should I rise up from these sheets of lace? Let the sun upon my face. For too long I've slept in solitude, with these walls as cold as ice. If I awake, will it be worth it all to feel the sun upon my face? I'm coming home to where you are, to the arms that held me long. I'm coming home, I've run too long. Unlock the door, turn the key. I've been waiting to see you so long. Come back to me. to me. Tell me everything is new again as I walk this dusty road. Run to greet me with the racing wind and the sun upon your face. I'm coming home to where you are, to your arms that held me long. I'm coming home, I've run too long. Unlock the door, turn the key, I've been waiting to see you so long. Come back to me. 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 I may tiptoe to your windowsill just to find that nothing's changed, hiding from the eyes that love me still, with the sun upon my face. I'm coming home.